Welcome to this TWTG explainer video. In this video, we will demonstrate the quick and easy installation of the pre-calibrated Neon QT valve sensor with universal bracket. Please be aware of all safety guidelines and restrictions that may apply in the area where this product will be installed and create a safe working environment suited for installation. Please note that this explainer video only applies to the installation of the pre-calibrated Neon quarter-turn valve sensor with universal bracket. It is not necessary to open or close the valve during the installation whilst the sensor is being installed. For further detailed information, please consult the manual. We will explain the installation process in a few quick and easy steps. The installation should take you less than 2 minutes. Open the box and take out its contents. The box includes a product sheet, the Neon valve sensor with universal bracket, M5 screws, and a set of fasteners. Always check the device for impact damages of any kind. Before installing the sensor, you need to evaluate the valve and identify the end stop of the valve's flange. Alternative mounting holes may be utilized, provided they ensure continued operability of the valve following the installation. We will now demonstrate how to install the valve sensor. The universal bracket will fit any quarter-turn valve. Step 1. Insert the M5 threaded rod into the mounting hole. Use the 2 M5 washers and 2 M5 nuts. Step 2. Place an M5 washer and M5 nut on the threaded rod. They will be used to determine the height of the valve sensor in Step 5. Step 3. Apply glue to the bottom of the valve sensor bracket. Make sure to use an appropriate glue. The valve sensor should be positioned at the central point of the stem. Step 4. Position the valve sensor bracket over the M5 threaded rod, ensuring that the body is centered on the stem, and secure it in place. Let the adhesive cure for the time as stated in the datasheet of your particular glue. Step 5. Secure the fastened valve sensor in position by using 2 M5 nuts and 2 washers, both at the top and bottom of the bracket. You are done after the final check to ensure everything is firmly mounted. Now the Neon valve sensor with universal bracket is installed. As a final step, the Neon valve sensor needs to be activated. We assume the device is added to the LoRa network server. Then you can start activating the device. The device comes pre-calibrated. Warning: unscrew and take out the pre-calibration screw. Please take out the screw as much as possible, or take the screw out completely. Failure to do so may harm the proper functioning of the valve and sensor. To activate the device, then simply tap the red magnet key against the sensor and hold for 5 seconds. Once the LED light turns green, the connection is completed. When activated, the device will appear in your network. The installation and activation have been completed. For further details, specifications, or component terminology, please refer to the manual or contact our service desk.